Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial at what3words. In this video, we're going to take a look at Access Earth. Access Earth provides accessibility information on restaurants, bars, venues, and points of interest. They are now displaying the 3-words address on these points of interest alongside the traditional address info. Let's go ahead and open the app. On the search bar, I'm going to type in Domino's. Then click on View Accessibility Information. And the 3-words address appears underneath the traditional address. So in this case, it's Since Fuels Ramp. Alright, this is it for Access Earth. Make sure to use Access Earth next time you need nearby point of interest accessibility info. See you next time.